What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back in the garage today, man. You guys seen yesterday, we snatched off the bars on our 2017 Candy Apple Red Road Glide, man. Got some things dropped off in LA, so we're waiting on like the fairing for this, a few other parts, as well as our like finishing pieces for our 2021. Now today I'm pretty much going to be ordering my 128 kit or 124 kit. I really don't know which one I'm going to go with yet, but I am going to be ordering one today. So about time that thing gets situated like next week, everything should be ready to go. We should be able to pull up to Harley and drop it off so we can get that upgrade in and get some real power to this 107 back here. I can't wait to get this show on the road, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to head up to BBV right now. I got to drop my truck off at service, then pick up my car from service, man. So a little bit more running around to do, but we'll get back here in the garage and get this show on the road, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow back there in the black and red, or my 2015 Street Glide CVO, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, buy anything on the site, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both. So man, head over there right now and go get your entry while you can. Meanwhile, let's hop in this truck and drop this thing off and get it up out of here, dog. And so much for this 23. They got it back like shaped up nice. However, it's like a crack right here. Yeah, it's a crack right there. So when you air it up, air is gonna seep through right there, and that's just like unfortunate. But we do have another one on order, so can't wait for that. Gotta go get our bars for this because they are ready. And then depending on what we're looking like today, I may start getting the bags and stuff situated, just getting the stuff, the little stuff out the way, maybe the side covers and the rear fender and stuff on the bike. I don't really know, just got to keep it simple so we don't have to do things like twice. So we'll see what's up. Just dropping off our Raptor. They got this Shelby F-150 up here. They want $140,000 for it. It's got 775 horsepower on it. However, 140K. I think I'm gonna go get a Lamb truck or something at that price, man. I don't know what y'all think. Then you got this Bronco here, 2022 MSRP 36,000. They're asking $97,000. That's nuts. And they're smoking. This thing doesn't even have no upgrades, no nothing like that. 97,000. I don't know what they're smoking on. Out the Raptor and then to the joint with the doors that go to the top. We have to get our door serviced. I didn't even realize they go up this high. They've been like halfway of that ever since like I got it tight, man. So now we got them things to the ceiling, ready to go up. I'm digging it, man. CJ 32s, man. I don't know, man. I ain't gang though, I do know that. Alrighty, just pulled up to BBV. Yeah, them doors is definitely different now. They way up there in the sky. That's funny as heck, man. Let's get these bars and get up out of here so we can ride. Got our bars wired up, man. It's time to slide to the crib and try to get these things mounted up, put on. Alrighty, man, finally made it back to the crib. Got our bars here. Now it's time to mount these things up. So I'm gonna set y'all up. And we're going to get these things on there and good to go, man. Can't wait. Alrighty, man, we got our bars on there, all good to go. Now they do feel kind of good. It feels similar to how it just was. Look really nice. I'm liking the look on it. Let's see if we got our hand controls and everything working. And we got our left turn signal, our right turn signal. That's working. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. That's cool. Let's see if we can get a first start on this joint. Okay. Got our bars done. Our forks done. We're waiting on our outer fairing to get done, getting painted, and our bag, and our wheel to be made. So this bike is pretty much done doing what we got to do with it. However, I do want to take it on a first ride. Got to go get some gas and stuff like that, but nothing too major. I could ride it without the fairing on there, so I might do that. But I don't know. We'll see what's up, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Sounding really good, running really good. Got our thing ready to go, man. I can't wait. And then I am about to hop on this thing, man. No front fairing. We should be good to go, though. I don't think nothing's gonna fly off and blow off, but I want to hear this thing, and gotta get some gas in it, man. So let's go gas up and hear what this thing sounds like now, shall we? Alrighty, man, let's get it. We got 20 miles. Let's hop on this joint and slide, man. just like that, guys, we made it back home. This thing sounds amazing, rides really good, man. Love this color on it, all this chrome. It's hitting. I can't wait to get these freaking bags on there and get the 23 on there just so we can complete it off. We got our bars on there. They're looking good, feeling good. I might get the same exact bars for my 21. Don't know. I just might. We shall see. But all in all, pretty fair ride. It's just cosmetics now. We're just waiting on our outer fan and our bag to get done. And then this one should be good to go. Oh, yeah, and the 23 will. So just the front end we got to do, but everything else is pretty much, you know, good to go. Let me know what you guys think about it. This seat feels amazing. This Corbin seat definitely feels amazing. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, man. So alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We finally got the bars on our 2017 Road Glide back here in the chrome and candy apple red, man. I took that thing on a first ride. Feels amazing. Sounds good, man. Let me know what you guys thought about the first ride. And then what do you guys think about the exhaust, man? Did it sound pretty good? I think I liked it a lot, man. It really did sound good compared to, like, of course, this stock 2021. Now, the CVO, still no competition against that. And even Black Widow is louder than that thing. But on open throttle, it does sound really good, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow back there, or my 2015 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide, man, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, buy anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and that'll gain you entry into the giveaway. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over there to everythingsregular.com. We got less than 100 hats available, man. So get over there and get your entry while you can. Meanwhile, man, I can't wait to see where that thing is going. So go get your entry while you can. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.